Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2910, a compact entry-level all-in-one printer designed for home users with small, light printing needs. Primary appeal is the combination of a very low cost initially, wireless connectivity, and basic three function. You can print, copy, and scan. This printer is ideal for students, home offices, or families who need to print occasionally, such as school assignments, web pages, coupons, or simple documents. It is not designed for high volume printing due to its low yield cartridges and modest speed. This printer uses ink cartridges 308. Black cartridge has an average yield of 100 pages, and three-color cartridge has an average yield of 60 pages. In terms of specifications, you can print, copy, and scan. Printing technology, thermal inkjet. Printing resolution up to 1200 by 1200 dpi for black and white and color. Printing speed 7.5 prints per minute for ISO standard and up to 20 prints per minute draft mode. Color 5.5 prints per minute for ISO standard, up to 16 prints per minute for draft mode. Very fast, typical under 15 seconds for ready state. In terms of the scanner, is flat bed scanner. Maximum scan resolution 1200 by 1200 dpi. Scan file, you can scan JPEG, TIFF, PDF, PNG. Scan input method, use HP Smart app or front panel buttons. Copying specification, copy speed similar to printing speed. Copy resolution up to 600 by 300 dpi. Paper handling, input paper tray capacity 60 sheets. Supported paper size A4, B5, A6, D11. Double-sided is manually, and you do the double-sided using the laptop. Connectivity, you can connect this using Wi-Fi network or wired USB 2.0. Mobile and wireless printing using HP app, Apple AirPrint, Mopria Print Service for Android, HP Print Service plug-in for Android. Software and requirement, primary application HP app, compatible for Windows 10 and later, or Mac OS or later. This printer is a purpose-built device for light occasional printing. Its strength is low price, wireless features, and smaller size. HP app is central to its operation, enabling easy wireless setup and mobile printing. We're going to unbox this printer, check it out, and see what is inside. You also have option for instant ink. It comes with 3 months of instant ink. It is not compulsory. So this is the information pack. The power cable, ink cartridges, triple color and black, and another leaflet. This is the scanner. The ink cartridges holder is on the corner. Once you plug this printer on, it will position itself to the center. This button is for you to switch this printer on and off. This is LCD screen. This button is cancel. This button is resume. Wireless button. Information button. This button is for you to copy color. And this button is for you to copy black. HP Deskjet. USB cable goes to this port, and the power cable goes on this one. So it uses real paper tray. This is the unboxing and overview. Thank you.